Once, in a quiet forest, there lived a clever little sparrow named Lila. Every morning, she flew to the nearby lake to drink fresh water and sing her cheerful songs. But one summer, the weather became very hot. Day after day, the lake started drying up. Soon, it became nothing more than a muddy puddle. Lila flew down and looked around. "There's no water left," she said sadly. "What will all the animals do?" She thought for a moment. Then she had an idea. Lila flew from tree to tree, calling out to all the animals, "Come with me. We can save the lake together." The monkeys brought leaves to carry water. The elephants carried big loads of water in their trunks. The rabbits dug small channels so the water could flow into the lake. Lila guided everyone from morning until night. Slowly, the lake began to fill again. After 2 days, the lake sparkled under the sun once more. All the animals cheered. "Thank you, Lila. You saved the lake." The little sparrow shook her feathers proudly and said, "We saved it together." Even a small voice can lead to big change. And from that day on, Lila became known as the clever sparrow who saved the forest.